Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. This is Yagneshwar Das at Vrindavan, Sri Gopinath Gaudiya Math. This Gopinath Gaudiya Math was established by Srila Bhakti Pramoda Puri Goswami Maharaj Thakur, who was the dearmost disciple of Prabhupada Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. He was the, like what you call Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sristashtaka third verse. Trunadapi Sunichena Taroriva Sahishnuna Amanina Manadena Kirtanya Sadahari. But living like a, feeling ourselves like a lower than a blade of grass, being tolerant than like a tree, respecting everybody and not expecting any type of respect and just always chanting the Lord's holy names. This Srila Bhakti Pramoda Puri Goswami Thakur was the living example for this verse. And this temple, what he established here, it is an old temple, almost 200-year-old temple, which is known as Purana Dauji Mandir. The main vigrahas or the Lord, form of Lord is Balaram in the form of cowherd boy. So it was established, this temple and this vigraha established by Vijay Krishna Goswami Maharaj, who was a descendant in Advaita Acharya family. Also, we have one more beautiful form of Lord Sri Radha Govindji, which were established by Tapan Mishra, who is, we can call almost as the foremost and beginning disciple of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was like a professor, Nimai Pandit, and he had visited Bangladesh, this Tapan Mishra had come to Mahaprabhu, means as Nimai Pandit, and asked him, please tell me what is the goal of human life and what is the process. Nimai Pandit had told, Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Nama Kevalam, Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatiranyata. Harinam, Harinam, Harinam. There is no other way, no other way, no other way. Means chanting the holy names of the Supreme Lord Hari. Now, this Tapan Mishra asked, Oh Lord, oh sir, dear sir, there are so many names of the Supreme Lord. Which one we should chant in this Iron Age, this Kali Yuga? And Nimai Pandit had first time told in public, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is the Maha Mantra of this Iron Age, through which we can reach the goal of our life, that is getting the divine love and eternal services of Sri Sri Radha Govindji. So this Gopinath Gaudiya Math is situated in Vrindavan in a very good, what you call as the topmost place, which is called in our Shastras as the Yoga Peeth, the supreme place where Sri Radha Govind are being served with Radha's close friends called Sakhis, Manjaris, and this is the place where Radha Govind are situated. Means this place is situated between, almost it is near Gopeshwar Mahadev temple and between Radha Madan Mohan temple. This is the Rasa Leela pastime place of Sri Sri Radha Krishna. So this place is very near to Vamshivat, from where Lord Krishna plays his beautiful flute to attract the gopis. And here every day in the eternal pastimes, the topmost spiritual and blissful pastime of Rasa Leela takes place. So it is in that part of the Vrindavan. And one more beautiful forms of Lord Sri Sri Gauranitai are situated here, which were established by Nityananda Prabhu's elder son Veerachandra Goswami, Veerabhadra Goswami. He is none other than Shirodakashai Vishnu, the Lord's form of Paramatma, which lives in each living beings. So this temple is a unique place where we have such beautiful vigrahas of Balramji, Radha Govindji and Gauranitai, which all have come from sources which I already mentioned. So I welcome each and every one of you, whenever you visit Vrindavan, please visit this sacred place and take blessings of the Lord's Hari Bol Dandot Pranam.